Nice TT2N. Memorizing a nice transmitter, Method 1. Install the TT2N controller unit in a junction box or other adequately protected environment and connect it to the motor. Caution! You cannot adjust the limit switches of the motor using the control unit. To do this, follow the procedure in the instruction manual for the tubular motor installed. In a system with a number of control units, connect one control unit to the mains power supply at a time. Do not connect more than one motor for each control unit. If necessary, use the specific NICE TTE expansion modules. Power the control unit. This will emit 2 long flashes. If the transmitter is multi-channel, select the channel you want to associate with the control unit. Within 5 seconds, press the stop key and release it to coincide with the first of the 3 flashes emitted by the TT2N control unit. The transmitter has been correctly associated. Initially, the motor might move in the opposite direction to the one indicated on the arrow key of the transmitter. All connections must be performed with power to the system shut off. The correct direction can be associated by physically inverting the connections of the wires on terminals 1 and 3. While the control unit is operating, it must not be jolted or struck by other objects. To verify that programming has been successful, press the up arrow key on the transmitter briefly and check that the rolling shutter moves up as far as the upper limit switch. Then press the down arrow key on the transmitter briefly and check that the rolling shutter moves down as far as the lower limit switch. Then position the TT2N control unit in the junction box. To configure a second control unit, just select another channel on the transmitter and perform the procedure described above.